What's up, guys? Hey, I wanted to make a video for my earlier subscribers who's been with me since I started my channel. I started out trading day trading options and recording it and posting it on YouTube. And I'm sure you noticed that I've been trading futures lately. So I wanted to kind of give some explanation and do a quick little slideshow on what I like about futures. So for a little bit about me, I started trading in the end of 2019. Started with penny stocks, and then I got into options, day trading options. And so beginning in 2023, I built an account from like $400, $600. I can't remember exactly, but I built that up to like $4,000. Well, I blew up, so took a few months off, did a sabbatical. I did it a little bit more at the end of 2023 and into 2024. But 2024 earlier this year, I had a really busy work year. Somebody quit at work. Our schedules was crazy, so I'm doing it right this time. I've been focusing exclusively on futures for 6 months. And by the way, how I'm going to be trading futures, it can be transferred to any market, stocks, crypto, Forex, whatever. So I'm doing it right this time. I've been journaling my trades. Here's my trade journal. I've been marking and annotating my charts. So I got months and months of just all kind of price action and things that I'm looking for in price action. I got months and months of that. And so when I was trading options, I was pretty good at reading price action from a perspective, that you mainly see online with analyzing price action. But I decided to do it right this time with journaling, annotating, marking my charts, tracking this data. So now I know exactly what I'm looking for. I have about 3 different models. I predominantly like to trade reversals. So, I got an at the open play that I'm currently working on tracking. It's not 100% yet, and I don't have data on my win rate yet. And I have a continuation play that I got. So before, I wasn't really strict in my rules. I didn't really have a rule base. I just kind of traded on what I saw on the charts at that time instead of anticipating a time on when my particular model strategy should show up. So anyway, let's start with this. So options, you have Meltdown, that time decay that comes against you. So you got Theta, you got Implied Volatility. So if you happen to just be a little bit early in a trade because you got a little FOMO or something, or you want to work into a trade a little bit, kind of get a feeler in, well, that Meltdown, that premium starts working against you. So, and let's face it, premiums are expensive these days. Think about NVIDIA pre-split, Meta. Meta used to be a beautiful trader. Now she's just expensive. Tesla's getting there again. Can only trade at New York Open and in between New York Open and close. So I'm getting to where I like my model shows up around 9 to 10 p.m. During Asia. I like 4 to 5 a.m. and I like 7 to 8 a.m. and I like p.m. session open, so 1:30 to the 2 p.m. macro. And like I said, I have an at the open play and a continuation play. And your funds settle immediately trading futures, so that's pretty cool. Instead of you day trade options, you run out of buying power. So that's a big one right there. That was a psychology thing that I used to deal with trading options. So to me, like here's a chart of the micro Nasdaq, which M and Q to me has got the same action. There's a little bit differences sometimes in the candles, but compared to Q's, QQQ, it's to me it's cleaner action. If you compare their daily charts, they got different opening and closing prices. NQ's settlement price is like 4:14 p.m. New York time, right? and then it opens again an hour later, and trades all through the night. So of course its chart's going to be a little bit different than QQQ. You got more liquidity, so you don't have all these gaps and liquidity voids everywhere. I can place orders on the actual chart that I'm trading. Now I know you can do that on TOS with options, but and there's a formula to doing it. But I mean, I could put a hard stop and a hard take profit. I can walk away. The market can grind, consolidate a little bit, and my average price isn't going to start melting down against me like we discussed on slide 1, like when you're trading options. So, I can, this chart that I'm watching, I can throw an order in on that chart, kind of like you're trading stock, and yeah, so that's cool. So the next one's going to be prop firm. So it's an easy barrier to entry. So instead of using why this option is available, I don't know how long this option is going to be around. So for the last few years, you've been having these prop firms come up, and you pay a small fee to trade these different size accounts. For example, Topstep, you pay a $49 fee, and it's a monthly recurring fee, or every time you have to reset an account, you can apply for a $50,000 account. Now, during their combine and their evaluation stages, they do have rules. They want to see if you're a consistent trader before they give you their own money to trade with. But after you pass those, they'll start paying you out for trading good. So here's let's get an example. So here's a Topstep. So you got 50K account, $49 a month, 100K account, $100, or $100 fee, or when you reset. And they got different, so your profit target would be $3,000 on the 50K account and $6,000 on a 100K account. And you got different, you can't have a max loss limit of $2,000. Now Topstep's kind of tough because, so let's say I make a $1,000 trade, so now I'm at $51,000. Well, now I can't, where if you start at $50,000 when you open an account, you can't go no less than 48, but they trail that up. So now instead of having 48 as my max loss, now I can't go below 49,000. So you also got Apex. So a lot of traders like Apex, and they got different size accounts. So there's 250, 300K, different kind of accounts here. And like Topstep, they have what they call Topstep X. So they have their own trading platform that they use with TradingView style charts. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to connect mine to NinjaTrader though. So, and that's probably going to be, I'm going to finish the rest of the year out really journaling, screenshotting, collecting data. That's going to continue past the end of the year, right? But that's probably going to be for the rest of my life. But probably at the end of January, I'm going to open a Topstep Combine 50K account, which I'm working on a risk strategy. Once I get that finalized, I'm going to make another video talking about my plan to pass these combines that Topstep provides. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try to record and post the whole journey of me getting funded, passing these evals, and getting funded through Topstep to my first payout. I'm going to try to record that whole journey if I can. And so yeah, I appreciate if you would stay and tag along for the ride, especially if you've been here since I've started my channel. Like I said, the way I'm going to be trading will transfer to any markets. Anyways, enjoy y'all's